Today, I'll be sharing how you can download YouTube videos in 2024. If you're new to this channel and love exploring free tools like video editing and graphic design software, don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Leaving a like also helps support the channel and allows it to grow. In this video, I'll be covering a few methods, including some that might be new to you. Stick around as I walk you through the steps to download YouTube videos. To begin, open your computer and head to YouTube by searching for it on Google or entering the URL directly. For this method, I'll show you how to download your own videos. Start by navigating to YouTube Studio through your account menu. Once inside YouTube Studio, you'll see all your uploaded videos. In this example, I have just one video, but the process works the same no matter how many videos you have. To download a video, find the three dots next to the one you want. Click on them and you'll see the download option. Simply select it and the file will begin downloading immediately. The downloaded video will be exactly the same as the one you originally uploaded. If you ever lose the original file, you can recover it easily by going to YouTube Studio and using this method.